Meantime, Just Capital announcing its 2023 list of 100 most just companies. CNBC is Just Capital's media partner, and we have the exclusive launch of that list. Our Brandon Gomez joins us now to reveal the top 5. Brandon, good morning.
Hey, Andrew, that's right. So this year, Just Capital is once again recognizing companies who are doing right by 5 key stakeholder groups. Now, those are workers, communities, shareholders, customers, and the environment. Now, Just Capital collected or sourced nearly 250 raw data points around 20 key issues identified by the American public as priorities in assessing just business behavior. Of the 951 companies Just Capital covers from the Russell 1000, these are this year's top 5 most just companies. Kicking off the countdown, making a significant jump, rising from number 99 to 5th overall, is Truist Financial. The company propelled higher by its commitment to pay fair wages and to work with a diverse group of suppliers, from minority, women, veteran, and LGBTQ-owned businesses, contributing over $1.4 billion to the U.S. economy. 4. ACCENTURE. The company, a leader in prioritizing the appropriate treatment of customers' private data, offering disclosures of its own security protocols, and limiting its retention of users' personal information. Coming in 3rd, Microsoft. The software company formerly held the top spot from 2019 to 2021. Microsoft is one of only 10% of the Russell 1000 companies to offer at least 12 weeks of paid leave for primary and secondary caregivers. They also disclose data to address pay equity and maintain ambitious climate targets. Number 2, NVIDIA. The chipmaker consistently leading on issues that matter to workers, performing detailed analysis by gender and race and ethnicity. It is one of few companies that report specific demographic workforce data. That, and the company's offering of 22 weeks paid parental leave, show why NVIDIA has consistently been in the top 10 of the Just 100 since its inception in 2018. The Just 100 2023 number 1 company is Bank of America. It has risen steadily from number 104 in 2018 to number 5 in 2022 to the top spot this year. Leading on worker issues, Bank of America has committed to raise its current minimum wage of $22 an hour to $25 by the year 2025. The company has developed sustainable financing products, eliminated systemic barriers for hiring, and has prioritized having a diverse and independent board of directors. Now, for the full 100 list and video featuring the top 10, you can head to cnbc.com/just-100.
So real quick, what sectors, when you just look from a sector basis, led the list in terms of the rankings?
Yeah, so traditionally, tech has been a leader in the space. This year, financials did see an uptick in their rankings of the Just 100. Part of that does have to do with the disclosure of a minimum wage for all workers. And so, again, you're seeing names like Bank of America leading. Bank of America, as we said there, has been slowly climbing the ranks year after year. But again, sort of joining the top 100 list and seeing the most improvement, up about 138 spots for banks, for
Brandon,
companies in the financial sector.
For those investors out there that are looking at this list, the real question is, do they outperform? Meaning, if you were to look at this list over the last 5 years, 10 years, I don't know what you think the right period is. Are they outperforming? Are they underperforming? Are all of these metrics that are part of this actually equate to a better stock performance?
Yeah, so these companies are doing well in terms of their stock. They're also performing better on metrics compared to other companies in the Russell 1000. So they are leading on areas where, whether it's return to shareholders, whether it's job creation, whether it's paying the highest amount of wages within their industries. So these companies are leading on these key issues, and they, in and of themselves, are leading in terms of all of those metrics that Americans are determining what makes a company just.